Hey there, this is John and welcome back to my channel. Right now I'm about to unbox this which I ordered online. But before I do that, I have something for you. I'll give you 5 clues. Tell me what's in the box. And if you'll get it right, you win 5 hours watch hours. So what are the 5 clues? First, it's an English word. Second, it's just one word. Third, it is edible. Fourth, it's healthy. And fifth, it is common in North America and Asia. So comment down below your answer and I'll make sure I'll give you your prize of 5 hours watch hours. And don't forget to like. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do click the button below. And the